Hi guys, if you want to practice the trading strategies using the historical market data, FX Replay is undoubtedly one of the best tools for the realistic backtesting. And if you want to try it for yourself, there is a 15% discount link in the description. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use FX Replay step by step. So first of all, you need to come here on fxreplay.com. Now over here, you need to sign up with the help of your email address. Now, when you sign up for the very first time over here, simply select the option of testing. Now over here, when you are inside the option of testing, simply select the option of backtesting session. Now over here, you need to select the backtesting session, and now you need to give your session a name. So let's say I want to backtest gold, so I have given it the name gold. Now you can just simply set your account balance. So you can use these arrow buttons in order to increase or decrease the amount. Afterwards, you need to also select the asset. So I'm going to select XAU USD, and after you are able to find it, you just have to simply select it. Now you just have to also select the initial date. So let's say I want to start it from the 1st of December till now. So after selecting the date, you just have to simply select the option of create session in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now as soon as you do this, the backtesting window will be opened in front of you. So it is going to look something like this. So over here you are going to see the chart of gold, because I have opened the chart of gold. And now what you can do is you can just simply use this particular replay mode in order to backtest your strategy. So over here you can play this particular button, and now the chart of the gold is going to be running something like this. You can also pause it, and you can also use these tools that are available over here in the left hand side. So let's say as per my strategy, I want to take a short here. So I'm going to select the long short tool, and I'm going to put the short over here just like so. Now over here, in order to place the order, you can use the buy and the sell buttons over here. So let's say I want to sell. So after clicking on the option of sell, my order will be placed over here. And display, basically you can use FX Replay in order to backtest any of your strategies, either with the help of the demo amount, or you can also backtest it right away. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.